So I'll just dive straight into it. What we've got here is a line marking company, Line Marking Pro, and we've built them an outbound framework that essentially grabs contacts off Google Maps, enriches them, calls them, and then has really engaged conversations with them. Then we pull out all the information, all the costs, all the tracking elements, and make decisions on how to contact them after. So this is a simple Google Maps scraper that pulls out the industry and area. So say if I wanted to target dentists in a suburb, you filter by that, or you could filter by every suburb and pull all the dentists in your state or country. And what we have here is the calling, just some basic framework that sets it so we're not breaking any rules, abides by cold calling laws, checks the calendar, figures out when they're free, and pulls up all the information it needs. It's got all the scripts here. These are all custom built. And then we have the actual making of the call with all the custom settings. After the call is finished, it sends a post over here. It goes into this analyzer, which pretty comprehensive workflow. I can kind of show you what happens here. So it pulls out all the information of a call, and then you can see here it structures all this data and gives you really valuable data that you can make decisions with. There's so much to capture, which helps you refine scripts. And when the AI analyzes all this, it can make some really good improvements to the call just based off one call. It figures out what to do. With that call, it figures out what happened on the call. If there's a meeting, callback, they're interested, or they're already engaged with another client. If something bad happened, like a technical issue, which is very rare, but we still need to track all expected outcomes. If they didn't answer, if a voicemail left, what voicemail was left, because we tailor the voicemails to make it really specific to the customer. For example, this voicemail is, we drove past the area, so we need some line marking. If that's of interest, give us a call back on XYZ and then email us here. So this one, when it books the meeting, logs the meeting into your calendar. This can be a CRM or a calendar tool. Then it makes another call. So you can set about 50 calls going at the same time, all the way up to a few thousand. And we've got that analyzer, which kind of goes in to figure out what happens, make some quotes, does some reports. And then this is the important bit, the conversion tracking, figuring out what's happening after the calls. People are booking meetings as well, which is our key objective with them. So booking in site walks and meetings is really important. So that's a pretty quick overview of how it works. Again, we built this out on N8N to really make it easy for the customer to go in and update just small information